What's up, boys? Got a new ceiling fan I picked up. Let's check it out. So this is a 48-inch 3,784 CFM ceiling fan with a DC motor, which saves you 65% over an AC fan motor. Has a decent user's installation manual. There's your specs. The remote has its own manual also. It's supplied with 2 AAA batteries. Here's what's in the box. You have your fan motor, which is DC, an acrylic lens, your LED light, your mounting hardware for the ceiling and the cover, your remote control, 1, 2, 4, and 8 hour timer. With the remote control box, batteries are provided, 6-inch downpipe, assorted hardware, and your fan blades, so you can have black or wood grain down. These are made out of a wood style material, so I wouldn't recommend it in high humidity locations. We're going to replace this light, which already has a ceiling fan approved mounting box. Take your old fixture off, mount your base up there, hook up your down rod in the order that it has to go up to the ceiling. Unloosen those set screws so you can get the down rod in there, put your pin through, and lock those set screws back down. I like mounting the blades before I hang it on the ceiling so I don't have to work upside down. And it has a quick mount hang ball here, so it makes it possible. Put your fiber washers on your screws. Pick which side you want showing down, black or wood grain. And put your screws on, all the blades. All the blades are on and tight. Now let's go mount it. When you put this up, you gotta line that groove up with that groove. Spin it, you'll feel it drop in. To mount the light, there's 3 screws. Put them in and tighten them up. Connect your wires for your light, like so. Put your cover on. Hook your white to the white, black to the black, green to the ground. Plug in your 2 connectors. Get your wireless remote antenna. Put your remote module up in there. Make sure no wires are pinched. Leave your antenna hanging here. Then we'll put this cover on. It's held by a magnet. Twist that on and tighten it. Put your magnetic cover up there. See if it works. No sparks, fingers crossed. Put your batteries in the remote. That's your light. It's pretty bright. There's your different modes. I'm sure it's hard to see. 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour timer. There's speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, speed 4, speed 5, and speed 6. It's pretty fast. Looks like it's balanced, so we don't need to balance it. This will make the speed of the fan variable, so it's like a wind blowing in and out. So if you want it from blowing down to up, now it's going up instead of down. It don't happen instantly. It has to slow the fan down first. And there it is. This button turns your fan off. If you shut the fan off while it's running, it remembers. Pretty decent quality fan. It looks like something you want. I'll have the links down below. Thanks again for watching.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.